Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute hearts. We're going to take it a little bit slow today, make it super beginner friendly, but this is a really quick, easy, and fun tutorial, so let's get right into it. So this is a great scrap yarn project. Go ahead and grab whatever hook and yarn you like, but in this tutorial exactly what I used was a 4.25mm hook alongside with big twist yarn, and you'll also need a pair of scissors. To get started, we're going to make a slip knot. You want to take your yarn, wrap it around your finger twice. You're going to take the yarn that's in the back and pull it in front. You can use your thumb to hold it in place. Then you're going to take the yarn that's now in the back and pull it in front and over your index finger. Now you've made a knot. You're going to insert your hook into here and pull on your working yarn, and now you've made your slip knot. From here we're going to chain 4. To chain, you yarn over and pull up a loop. Again, chain is yarn over and pull up a loop. You're going to do that 2 more times. Now you have a total of 4 chains. Now you're going to insert your hook into the very first chain that you made, which is over here. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop, and pull through. That is a slip knot. Now we've created a hole or a circle. You can see the hole is right here. This is where we will be working in all of our following stitches. From here, we're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to insert 12 double crochet into the same hole I just showed you. So double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You're going to complete that for a total of 12 times, all into that same circle. While you're completing your double crochet, make sure that you're working in this tail end. I'll meet you back at the end of the row when we're done the rest of the 12 double crochet. So now you can see we have 12 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So from here, we're going to slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet right here. So you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through to connect. And now we've completed a circle. This completes round 1. So from here we're going to skip a stitch. So we're skipping this one right here. And then we're going to go into the next stitch, which is this one right here, with 8 triple crochet. So for triple crochet, you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook. Remember, we skipped a stitch. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and one last time yarn over, pull through 2, and that's a treble crochet. One more time, treble crochet is yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and one last time, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 2 treble crochet in the same stitch. We're going to make a total of 8 triple crochet all in this same exact stitch. So one more time, triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and one last time, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? And complete that for a total of 8 times, like I said, all in the same exact stitch. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you've entered the 8 triple crochet all into one stitch. So we're going to work into the next stitch. Make sure your triple crochets are not covering it. So that's this stitch right here. Okay, in the next stitch it is double crochet. So again, that is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 for double crochet. And then in the next stitch we're going to do a double crochet and a half double crochet in the same stitch. So this stitch right over here, so that's double crochet and a half double crochet. So half double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. So in the next stitch you're going to insert 2 half double crochets. So again, half double crochets, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. In the next stitch we have half double crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and you can see we're coming to the point. This is like the round top and this is like the point at the bottom. This is what it should look like at this point. So this is the halfway point. After this you're going to chain 1, and in the next stitch we're going to start creating the other half of the heart. So to do that, you basically copy what we did over here because it's symmetrical, but we just do it in the reverse order. So you're going to do a double crochet in the next stitch alongside with a half double crochet in the same stitch, then 2 half double crochets in the next stitch, then a half double crochet in the next stitch with a double crochet in the same stitch, then in the next stitch a double crochet, and now we're back where we started. So now in the next stitch we're going to do 8 triple crochet all in the next stitch. So all 8 of them go in the same exact stitch. Okay, and when you finish your 8 triple crochet you should have something that looks like this, and there's actually 2 stitches left. Okay, so we're going to skip the first stitch and we're going to slip stitch into this one, the second stitch. Okay, so skip 1 stitch and slip stitch. Into slip stitch you just insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops. So now the heart is done. It's so pretty. What you want to do is chain up 1 and kind of leave some extra yarn, and you're going to cut the yarn and pull on what we just cut to fasten off, and then you'll have a heart. You'll have something that looks like this. So from here we're just going to clean up the heart a little bit. The tail end that we were working in, we're just going to tug on it a little bit just to close in that little hole there. And after you tug on it, you're okay to cut this as well. And then with this tail end, I just like to weave it in a bit. So I'm gonna start like about over here, and I'm gonna go in between all the top of this, just like this, just back and forth. I'm not doing anything really intricate like that. And then I'm gonna wrap the yarn around, and I'm going to pull it through all of those loops to weave in this tail end, and then I'm going to tug on the project to let it through, and then I'm going to cut this excess. So now the heart is all clear. So from here you could stitch this on to another project. I want to go ahead and turn it into a granny square, so I'm going to have that in the next part of the tutorial. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.